How to get paid for your Instagram posts, even with a small amount of followers. That's what we'll be taking a look at today. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm also going to show you some bonuses. How to create the perfect Instagram bio, 5 steps to get more followers, and how to get 10,000 followers on Instagram, 3 organic growth hacks. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit the like button if you choose to do so. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell as well. I make videos about making money online. If this method is not for you, please check out my hundreds of other videos about making money online. Remember to take action on any of these methods. That's what's going to get the results, taking action, folks. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to be started. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So let's dive right into it. All right, so this is a website called MNFST, and they're going to pay you for Instagram posts and Twitter posts, actually. But we're focusing on Instagram today, so let's just talk about the Instagram part of it. You don't have to be an Instagram celebrity or top-ranking influencer anymore. Every voice counts. Now, of course, the more followers and stuff you have, the better you're going to get paid. That's why at the end of the video, I'm going to show you some other methods and things like that to get more followers. But so basically, this site is going to pay you to post different things. And you want to go to here to users and check this out. They have an Apple store, iOS store, or iOS app, a Google Play app. And you're going to be taking photos basically of yourself, selfies with different like little advertisements on here and stuff like that. And they pay out different amounts of money depending on different factors, depending on the posts, depending on your followers. You can invite friends and stuff as well. So it's a pretty cool platform, how it works. You can read all about it here. Create a branded photo or video in seconds, share it with your friends on social media, receive payment in 24 hours. They do pay out with PayPal. And the users have earned over $92,000. They're relatively new here, so that'll always grow, of course. And basically, here's what they say: support, you love. You can read all this stuff, like I said. I don't want to get too much into it. Here's Q&A, frequent asked questions and stuff like that. On the iOS store, they have a 4.0 out of 5. Of course, normally they always do have some bad reviews, but you can see most of them here are 5 reviews or 5-star reviews. So it's a pretty cool review there. All right, so let's take a look at some of the frequent asked questions here. Payment methods, they support PayPal, and this company I never even heard of, but you can withdraw your money from there globally. However, we are open to new platform methods based on users' demand. So they probably will have some new ones coming. And here's basically how it works as well. You get rewards and stuff like that for posting and stuff like that. And like I said, the more followers you have, the better your rewards. So let's talk about getting some more followers here. Now, if you already have a huge following on Instagram, great. If you don't, I'm going to show you 2 videos. There's 2 videos in the video description below. I'll probably add more by the time I'm done making this video. But these are really cool videos made by, not myself, but you should definitely check them out. They're by a YouTuber called Vanessa. She made these videos, how to create the perfect Instagram bio, 5 easy steps to get more followers. I took her advice. I put this up on my Instagram account, which, by the way, please follow me on Instagram as well. My link's in the description below as well for that. Also, she has another video, how to get 10,000 followers on Instagram, 3 organic growth hacks. You want to check that out as well. So combining all 3 of these methods, you know, once you start making some money on Instagram, because the first app is not going to make you a lot of money until you start getting a lot of followers. Once you start having a lot more followers, you'll start getting sponsors from other companies and stuff like that, and you can grow a nice little business for yourself. It's really cool. Lots of people are doing it, as you know, but if you're just getting started, these are some great places to start. So this is a short video today, folks. Again, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Check out my #1 recommendation on the top link in the video description below as well for making money online. And just a quick video. That's all today, folks. Talk to you soon.